In this video, I will be showing you how to make a resume or CV presentation with Gamma AI. Let's get started. First, I'll head to my dashboard and click on Create New AI. Then I'll choose the Generate option to start the project. I'll select Presentation as the format and adjust the card count to 6 cards to keep things focused. In the prompt area, I'm typing, create a professional resume presentation for an engineer role. After I click Generate Outline, I can see a solid structure appearing with sections for technical expertise and professional projects. Now, I'll set the text content to be concise and select the Perl theme for a clean, professional aesthetic. I'll hit the Generate button, and now the AI begins crafting the slides. It's populating each page with specific details, experience sections, and relevant visuals tailored perfectly to the engineering field. Once the AI finishes, I can customize every part of the presentation exactly the way I want. I can click any text to edit it, change the slide layouts, or use the toolbar on the right to add elements like basic blocks, images, and videos. I can even include interactive forms and buttons to make the CV truly unique and engaging. And there you have it. That's the complete process of making a resume or CV presentation with Gamma AI.